back. It's Keri-Ann. Look who's here. Tulsi. So it's a little cold out. I think it was negative 20 degrees today here in New York. So I'm like, I'm not going outside. I love the cold, but I think it's getting to be a little bit much. And I know a lot of people getting stir crazy because they're indoors. So today we're going to do some stuff on the floor, on our back. We do some light stretching just to get the body moving and stretching out the legs and the hips. So you can do this in your bed if you have back problems or uncomfortable laying on the floor. You can do this series on your back in the bed, or grab a nice soft mat. You can layer it with a soft blanket, and go ahead and make your way onto your back. And I'll catch up to you in the next segment as soon as I give Tulsi another greenie. Okay, so make your way onto your back, either the floor or on the yoga mat with a blanket if you have back problems, or on your bed. So make yourselves comfortable. Take the legs out long and just take a big stretch. Really reach the fingers behind you, let the arms drop, push those feet into the wall. Then relax your arms back down alongside your body and relax your feet. Go ahead, bend your knees and place your feet on the floor. Roll those shoulders back into the ground. Really settle into the ground or onto the bed. So we're gonna start with half wind. So go ahead and grab the back of your right thigh, and you're gonna hug the knee into the chest or armpit. You can always take that left leg out long if you're a little bit more flexible, or keep the left knee bent with the left foot on the floor. Relax the right toes towards the floor and go ahead and circle at your ankle nice and slow. You may hear a little clicking, that's okay, nice and slow with the movement. Then pause and reverse the direction a few times, nice and slow. Then relax the foot towards the floor, relax the shoulders down, and one more time hug the knee into the chest or armpit. And just breathe. Go ahead now and straighten your right leg. Keep your fingers interlaced on the back of your right thigh. You can bend your left knee and place your left foot on the floor for this one. Go ahead and point your toes at the ceiling now. Push your heel into the ceiling. If you push your heel into the ceiling, you may feel a bigger stretch. So point and flex the foot a few times. Depending on how flexible you are, you might just be here in a 90-degree angle or not. So just doing what you're comfortable doing here, don't force. Because now we're gonna glide the hands up the back of the leg, elbows into the leg, forehead to the chin, and try to bring your forehead towards your knee. I meant chin towards the chest, forehead towards the knee, and just breathe. And slowly glide the hand down, back and head on the floor. Go ahead and bend the knee once again. Flex the right foot, ankle on the left thigh. So you could be right here as you push the right hand into that inner thigh there, push out, let the hip open a little bit. That's level one, or if you like to do eye the needle, bringing that left knee into the chest, flex that right foot once again, and just squeeze the knee into the chest and drop those shoulders. Take a breath in, and then squeeze. Another breath in, and hug that knee in. Go ahead and release. Put the left foot on the floor now, relax your arms. We're gonna do half happy baby. So grab the outside of the right foot, push down, pull down on that right knee outside of the right thigh. Take a breath in and exhale. Another breath in and exhale. Go ahead now, put the right foot on the ceiling. Let the left one join the right. Flex those feet, look at your toes, and just breathe. Bend those knees, place the feet on the floor. Relax your hands on your legs, walk the feet out a little bit. We're gonna do windshield wiper. So take a breath in and exhale, drop the knees to the right. Pausing here for a breath or two and just feel that stretch. Coming back to center on your inhale, and then drop the knees to the left. And just be here for a breath in and a breath out. One more time, a little faster now. Going to the right, coming to center, and going to the left. And then come back to center. Okay, let's do the other side. So go ahead and hug the left knee in towards your chest for half one. You can always take the right leg out long or keep that right foot on the floor with the right knee bent. Square the shoulders, hug the knee into the chest or armpit, and go ahead and circle at your left ankle, nice and slow. Breathing in and breathing out. And then reverse the direction a few times, nice and slow. And then relax that foot, hug the knee one more time, chest or armpit. Go ahead and take the left leg straight, left foot on the ceiling. Keep your fingers interlaced on the back of the thigh, relax those shoulders down into the ground, and go ahead and point and flex the foot now. Really pushing that heel into the ceiling. Just feel that stretch in the calf muscle in the back of the thigh, and then point and flex. Then relax your foot. You could stay right here or glide the hands up the back of the leg. Bring your forehead towards your knee, elbows in towards the leg. So you can keep the right knee bent or take that right leg out for a bigger stretch. And just be here for a breath in and a breath out. Another breath in and out. Go ahead and slowly release your back and head to the floor. Go ahead and put your left ankle on your right thigh. Flex that left foot. You could be here with your left hand, pushing into that thigh and push out, just to let the hip open here. Or full eye of the needle, grab the back of that right thigh, interlace your fingers, flex that left foot. Take a breath in, exhale, drop the shoulders and just squeeze that knee into the chest. Another breath in and out. Go ahead and slowly release. Put your right foot on the floor, half happy baby on the left side. So grab the outside of the left foot. Bring that knee down, out to the left. Take a breath in and exhale, pull down. Keep the left foot flexed. Take another breath in and out. Go ahead, step that left foot on the ceiling, relax your arms down, have the right one meet the left. Flex those feet, legs at a 90-degree angle, as best you can. Bend those knees, place your feet on the floor or on your bed, walk the feet out a little bit. Let's do windshield wiper one more time. So just take a breath in, exhale, drop the knees to the right, and just be here for a breath in and a breath out. Inhale to center and exhale over to the other side. And just feel that stretch. Let the knees drop. Come back to center and over to the other side. And one more time. And then gently bring your knees back to center. Go ahead and bring your knees into your chest. Try to keep the back and head on the floor for right now. And take a breath in and hug the knees into your chest. Put the feet back on the floor, glide the legs out long, shake them out. And just take a slow breath in